Hey guys, I'm out here in Tillamook Forest. I got Ben with me. We're doing a little bit of wheeling, and we brought some friends. So guys, I just wanted to point this out. Aaron's got a big truck, huge. And you know what? He needs this truck because he is carrying a very large load today. Look how large that load is. After 2 hours of airing these rigs down, we're finally ready to hit the trail. Ben was done probably in a third of the amount of time, if probably even less than that. So they're big trucks, they take a long time. Big tires take a long time to air down. I did too. That was pretty good. Well guys, we had to get a little creative to find a place to fit these two big vehicles off the road, but we were able to do it and they were able to get around us, and we're gonna hit the trail again. So this is the biggest challenge with running one of these LMTVs or these big wide army trucks, is we got this nice tight section. Ben makes it look huge. But let's see how Aaron...
We're gonna have to back up.
Let's see how Aaron and John do it.
To get his truck through, and then I'm heading next. Roger.
So you can see there's a little bit of rocks up ahead.
I think I'm gonna make it.
Those will be no problem. Aaron having to fold in the mirrors. Not that that helped much. So guys, we're now gonna do a little quick trail mod on on Aaron's LMTV. You can see that little globe mirror up there. He's just going to be hitting that all day. It just sticks out like another 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet to the side. So Aaron's getting some tools, and then we're going to take that mirror off just so a tree doesn't take it off for us. You might need a tape.
Dad.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm done with my apple.
Man, it's a good thing we got a skinny guy in our group.
You call me a skinny guy? Okay.
Compared to me, yeah.
I'll take it.
I'm an Oompa Loompa, so we're just gonna go with that.
I'm Bigfoot, so.
If you paint me purple, I'll dance for you. Unit, I dealt a lot with wolves, so it was shit.
Oof. That way. Well guys, we got a little bit of trail damage on that one. Chunked up one of John's rubber. Ben put a nice little scratch in his light.
I kissed a tree right here too.
Yeah, but that's a steel bumper.
Ben's hitting trees. Was the tree in a ditch?
Kind of. Well guys, we're gonna have some lunch and then regroup and figure out where we're going next. All right guys, we're about to hit Bates Road. This should be a fun one because it's gonna be big enough for Aaron's rig.